Sisi ko, Lorraine po, 2,300. Size small yung hawak ko, size small. Meron tayong sizes dito, sisi ko. Small and large na lang available, okay? Size small and large available. Code naman ako dito ng shells po. Code is shells, pa-code ako dito ng shells. Code is shells, pa-code ako dito ng shells. Okay, available in size small. Ang small magkakasya po hanggang medium, and then ang large until XL po ha. Small and large available. Madam Grace, eto, naka-sale na to.
Simila ka lang.
Farm Rio, brand new with tag.
Hindi na ko niya.
Farm Rio, brand new with tag. This is extra large po, ladies. Dati itong 16,000. Tonight, ladies, madam ko, 10,000.
9 large shells.
Thank you, Sisi ko. Okay, for this one, 10,000 na lang po ito. Sobrang ganda nito, Sisi ko. Sobrang ganda. Literal po, ha. Pang large to XL po ito. This is XL on tag. Complete po ha, may mga sequence pa yan hanggang likod po ito, sis. Okay, 10,000 only, 10,000. Code ako dito ng, pa-code ako dito ng feathers. Code is feathers, pa-code ako dito ng feathers. Code is feathers, 10,000 only, for only 10,000. Farm Rio, brand new with tag, naka-on sale, ladies. Code ako dito ng feathers. Pang large to XL, ladies, ha? From 16,000, 10,000, ladies.
Mine na shake small.
Mine shake. Alin po, sisi ko? Mag-ano po ako? Si Madam